Adobe InDesign excels at all types of text formatting. In order to complete a restaurant menu, you'll explore the differences between character and paragraph formatting and apply a few different types of formatting to the menu text. If you'd like to follow along, you can open this practice file from the downloadable practice files for this tutorial. Now with the document open, you may see the missing fonts dialog box. This means you haven't yet installed the fonts used in this document. In InDesign, any text that uses fonts that are missing from your system will be highlighted in pink in the document. To see the pink highlighting, you can drag the dialog box out of the way by this title bar. Now to fix the missing fonts, in the Missing Fonts dialog box, click the Activate button to sync the Adobe fonts to your machine. Access to the Adobe Font Library is included with your Adobe Creative Cloud membership. When syncing is complete, you can click Close. If for some reason you don't have access to the Adobe Fonts library, you can click the Find Fonts button in this dialog box. You can then select a font that's missing. You can tell it's missing because you'll see a small yellow yield sign appear here. Then select a font to replace it with down here, and click Change All. Once you're finished, you can click Done. To start with, you'll learn the difference between character and paragraph formatting. So in the Tools panel on the left, select the Type tool, and then come down here to the bottom of the page and click in the middle of this paragraph text. To zoom into it, press Command and plus on Mac or Control and plus on Windows a few times. Now if you look in the Properties panel on the right, you'll see this Character section of formatting and a Paragraph section of formatting. Character formatting is formatting applied to the character level. In other words, the individual letters, numbers, and other you select. This type of formatting applies to whatever text is selected, which could be a letter, a word, or even a series of paragraphs. Click to insert the cursor after the asterisk at the beginning of the text down here. Back in the Properties panel, click the kerning value and choose 200. Kerning is the space between characters. Notice how it only affected the space between the characters where the cursor was. That's character formatting. Now to apply character formatting to a lot of text, click 4 times in the text down here to select it all. In the Properties panel, click the leading value and choose 14. Leading is the distance between the baselines of text. If you look at the lines of text down here, pretend that each line of text is sitting on an imaginary line. The distance between those lines is the leading value. Now, to move up to the top of the page, press the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows to access the Hand tool temporarily. Then press and drag in the document window so you can see the text up here. Then release the key. Now you'll work a little bit with paragraph formatting. Formatting you see in the Paragraph section of the Properties panel is applied to entire paragraphs, regardless of what's selected in the paragraph. For example, select the word Swiss by double-clicking the word. Then, in the Properties panel, click the Align Center option and the whole paragraph, which is actually only a line of text, aligns to center. Now all of the text in this frame needs to be aligned to center. To do that, you'll select all of the paragraphs. So choose Edit, Select All. Click the Align Center option again in the Properties panel, and all the text in the frame aligns to center. Sometimes it can actually be difficult to tell what text makes up a paragraph. For instance, click in the Ham and Swiss cheese sandwich text. To see where the paragraph ends, choose Type, Show Hidden Characters. You can now see hidden characters like these little dots which indicate spaces, or these icons which indicate the end of a paragraph, and other marks that don't normally show or print. To hide those characters again, choose Type, Hide Hidden Characters. And then so you can see the entire page, choose View, Fit Page and Window. Now that you understand character and paragraph formatting and you've discovered a few of the many different formatting options available, in your own projects you can start to apply different types of formatting and continue to explore all of the formatting options available to you.